Okay, on this RangeRover Vogue that's not used very often, customers experiencing flat battery issues when he does go to use it, and he's a little bit upset about needing to connect the CTEC charger to the vehicle, because now batteries are fitted in peculiar places. It's not an easy under the bonnet just to connect to a battery these days. However, we do have a power stud under the bonnet for jump start purposes, negative and positive there, so we've utilised those, and we've added a externally mounted magnetic charging port. So you see there's our little charging port. So battery currently sitting at 12.60. So what I'm going to do is, this has been, the CTEC unit's been adapted, we've attached this to the end of it. So by simply, so look at the voltage again, 12.60, and simply putting that on there like so, we'll see the voltage starts to increase. So the vehicle can be locked up, obviously the bonnet can be closed and this can be just tucked down through here. So the vehicle can be locked up, so it can fully go to sleep. All the ECUs can fully go to sleep. They can be left plugged into the CTEC unit for as long as need be, and when he's ready to go, simply unplug the connector. As you will see, it's kind of got a nice little pull to it, being magnetic. It's quite a nice solution. Ideal for classic cars really, or any car that's such as this Vogue, that's stored away for a long period of time. Save your battery being drained right down. Give us a call if you want to find out about this or any other auto electrical vehicle security solutions that we may well have for you. Autosparx 0330 010 0506. Thanks for watching.